Good morning, my lovely students. I am your math teacher, S. Kiran. Welcomes you all back to the another session of maths online classes. Students, today we will do exercise number 6.2. So, before proceeding, as usual, as it is, what we are doing, just use your headphone, take out the textbook, and get ready for the today's class. See, students, I think everything is visible in front of you on the board. That simplify by combining the like terms. Students, I hope that in previous chapters we already discussed about the like terms or unlike terms. Already we have solved on the basis of that questions like terms. So I think here you should not be create difficulty to identify the like terms. See, simplify combining the like terms. How you have to be simplify? See, here x. It means all are like terms. Now what you have to do? You have to follow the symbol, mathematical sign. See, you know very well, plus, minus plus minus plus minus. It means exactly we can say that all equal sign will be positive or different sign will be negative. Okay, students. See, if I talk about this number, it is positive or negative? It is positive. This is negative. This is positive or this is negative. So students, if I talk about which is positive, so we can say that 3x plus 11x, both are positive. Now negative is that minus 4x minus 2x. Can we say, students? So say 3x plus 11x, can we say 14x minus plus, so can we say that minus 6x, but symbol will be negative. Now 14x minus 6x, what will be the result? 8x. I think students you understood. So let's focus on the next question. On the same way, here also we have to do the same things. Simplify by combining the like terms. Like terms we have to find out 7a, 5b, ab. Minus is multiplying by this number. Are you getting my point, students? Because this expression is enclosed by bracket, and before the bracket there is a negative symbol. So when the bracket will be open, what will happen? This negative symbol will be multiplied by all. So let's see what the answer will become. See what answer will become. First, 7a minus 5b minus ab. Now this minus will multiply by 2a. 2a is in positive, or here is minus plus minus 2a, minus or minus plus 3b, minus or plus minus ab. See, this term is plus 3ab minus b plus a. Questions. Now we have to find the like terms. Supposed to be here the 7a. There is the a here. Next a here. See, 7a minus 2a plus a. Okay, students. In close the bracket or without bracket you can keep, but only we have to be arranged in the same place, because already questions are simplify by combining the like terms. So we are arranging the like terms at the same place. Okay, students. Now see 5b minus 5b. Why? Because before the 5b here minus is there, so we will put minus. Again plus 3b. Next minus b. Okay, students. See, now minus ab is there, so write down here minus ab, again minus ab, plus 3ab. Say, students. Now it's okay. See, 7a minus 2a plus a. 7a plus 2a, 7a plus a, 8a minus 2a. Sorry, minus 5b or minus b, minus 6b plus 3b, minus ab or minus ab, minus 2ab plus 3b. Already it was said that same sign always positive, but symbol or sign will be stay as it is. So 8a minus 2a. What the result will be there? 6a minus 6b plus 3b minus 3b. Why? Because 3b will be negative because 6b is in greater number. 6 is greater number. That's why 3b will reduce from 6. So before 6, what is the symbol? Negative symbol is there. So that we will put here negative. 8a minus 2a, 6a, 6b minus 6b plus 3b minus 3b minus 2ab plus 3ab plus ab. Why? Because 2 is smaller than 3. So 2ab will reduce from 3ab. So before 3ab, what is the symbol or sign? Positive. So this number will be in positive. Okay students, I think you come to know that how to solve such types of question. So students, we will discuss on the question number 2. Add the following. How to add? Okay, all the terms are separated by column, so we have to be plus. Add means plus. So see how we will write. We will write first 3ab plus c. Now minus 4ab term is there. So minus 4ab it is already given term. Apart from it, we have to plus. So this term we will keep in bracket. Okay students. At the place of comma we will put plus. Why? Because question say like that. 7ab plus minus 5b. So under bracket minus 5ab. Students, already it was discussed in this question. What? Under bracket this is just one expression, and outside of the bracket what is there? The negative sign. So this negative sign will multiply in all. Same way here will be the same process. So 3ab here plus or here minus. What will the result? Minus 4ab plus 7b plus or minus minus 5ab. Okay students, see 3ab in plus. If there is no symbol, no sign, it means that number is in plus. See here is 7ab is plus. So we can write 3ab plus 7ab. Any more terms which is in positive? No. So write on the negative. Minus 4ab minus 5ab. Say students, 3ab plus 7ab, 10ab minus 4ab or minus 5ab minus 9ab. Why 9ab? Because both are in minus. So minus plus, but sign will be same. Okay students, 10ab minus 9ab. Can you write ab? 1ab is not important to write down. Okay, ab is also expressed then as a 1ab. Okay students, see in the next question, it is also as it is. We can see here is two expression, because we can see one expression is this. After that, this is the separated by comma, and second one is this. So both of expression we have to add. How will add? First of all, this expression is 12x minus 10y plus 16xy minus 8. Such means now we will question say add. It means now we will put at the place of comma we will put add. It means plus sign. And what the next term is given, that will be under bracket. So minus 6x plus 12y minus 10xy plus 16. What the terms is given, that we will copy as it is, because we already separated with the bracket. Okay students, now this plus sign or this bracket expressions will be multiplied to each together, and what the number will come? Let's see, 12x. This expression will be right as it is. Here is no changing. Why? Because it is not separated by any bracket or any sign. It is not multiplying or not dividing. So 12x minus 10y plus 16xy minus 8. Now plus and minus. See students, here these both terms are multiplied by under the bracket, because both are in under bracket. So both will be multiplied. So plus or minus will multiply. What the result will be get? That plus minus minus 6x plus or plus. Don't be confused students. Positive equal sign always be equal. It means positive into positive, positive. Negative into negative, positive. But positive into negative, negative, or negative into positive, negative. So be careful students. Plus or minus, minus. See, both are different signs. Here plus is there or here minus is there. So it is unequal. That's why what the symbol will be there? Minus 10xy plus or plus 16. So students, now we will arrange it as a like terms. Okay, and like terms, but it is not important. Question is not like that. Okay, you can write as it is. 12x minus 6x. What will be the answer? This 12x is in plus, or this minus 6x is in minus. So we will, what we will do? 12x minus 6x. Resultant 6x. Okay, students. After that, minus is there, minus 10y minus 10y or plus 12y. What the result will be there? Minus 10y or plus 12y. Which is greater, 12y or 10y? Exactly, 12y is greater. So 12y minus 10y. What the result? 2y will be left. So this 12y is, it is greater, and before that positive symbol is there. So we will put here positive. And what the result? 2y. So students, after that plus 16xy. See that term, plus 16xy or minus 10xy. See, 16 is greater or 10 is greater? Definitely 16 is greater, and before 16 what the symbol is there, what the sign is there? Positive. So we will put positive. This 16xy or this minus 10xy. What the result will be there? 6xy. So we will put here 6xy. This minus 8 or plus 16, which is greater? This or this? Even one class students will tell very easily. Search section will be greater. So before section which sign is there? Positive. We will put here positive. 16 minus 8. What the result will be? 8. I think students you come to know. So nothing. Algebra is nothing. Only it needed your concentration. Because as a loser concentration, definitely it will be wrong. Why? Because here we have to be only the playing with the sign. Playing with sign is all about algebra. So be careful. Okay. So students, see the question number 3a. What the question number left in the question number 1 and question number 2, it's your turn to do. Okay students, so don't forget to complete that questions, and let's consider the question number 3a. Students, we can see in front of you the a by 2 minus a by 3 minus a by 4 plus a. Such type of questions, how it will be solved? First of all, what we will do? We will find out the LCM of given denominator. What is the denominator? 2, 3, 4. So students, it's very simple how to find the LCM. May I let you know? Without calculating, we can find out the LCM. Do you know how? See, what the number is given. Be careful. What the number is given. Okay. Find out such multiple who will be a factor of all. Supposed to be, I am talking about 6. In the table of 4, 6 will not come. It will be cancelled. After 4 to the 8, 4 to the 12, 6 12. So 12 4 to the 12, 3 4 the 12, 2 6 the 12. It means their LCM will be 12. We want to see how. Find out the LCM. 2 1 the 2, 3 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 6, 6 to the 12. We can see. So on the same way we can find out the LCM before without calculation. See, so mention here 12. Now what will we do? This denominator and this LCM product both will be divided. What the answer will be there? 6. That 6 will be multiplied by numerator. What the answer will be? 6a. What the symbol is there? Minus. 3 4 the 12 4. 4 into a 4a. Minus 4 3 the 12 3. 3 into a 3a. Students, we can see here is nothing. If nothing is there, it is 1. Maybe there. Then when 12 divided by 1, what is the result will be there? 12. 12 multiplied by a plus 12a. Okay, students, no need to put here 1. If there is no denominator, you can consider there is 1. Okay, students. See, 6a or plus 12a. Answer will be 18a. Minus 4a or minus 3a. 7a. Because minus plus, but sign will be minus. So students, you can see here is 8a and here is 7a. Both are like terms. Always plus or minus will be done in the like terms. Okay students. So 18a minus 7a resultant 11a. Denominator 12. It is your answer. So students, be careful. Positive, addition or subtraction will be done only in the case of like term. See here, x square plus y square plus 1. So if we will remove the bracket, what the number will be there? X square plus y square plus 1. So it is positive, and after that the given expression is positive into x square, positive into positive y square, positive into negative 1. Are you getting my students? See, now see, this is completed. Come here. It is positive. Once again, positive into x square, positive into negative y square, positive into positive 1. Again, say students, same things are there. Positive into y, positive y square, positive into positive 1, positive into negative x square. Say students, now find out the like terms. What is the like term? See, x square plus 3x square minus x square. Are you getting my point, students? 3x square minus x square. What answer will be there? 2x square. Or otherwise, you can cut negative or positive. We will cut also. How many will be there? 1 and 2. 2x square. Okay. Now consider y square, students. Y square, or y square. See students, minus y square plus y square. Can we cancel? Cancel. What answer will be there? Y square plus y square plus 2y square. Okay students. See, plus 1 minus 1. It will be cancelled. Okay. It will be cancelled. What answer will be there? Plus 1 or plus 1? Plus 1, 2. Is there anything else, students? No. We can see, students, 2 is common in all. In all terms, 2 is given. So 2 take common. X square plus y square plus 1. It will be your answer. Students, either you can take 2 as a common, otherwise you can leave here also. It may be your also answer. Okay. Students, question number 4. Question number 4. Say subtract. Students, now you have to subtract. How you will subtract? See, 2x square from minus 3x square. Students, be careful. What are the numbers or what are the mental values given in from? Especially in subtraction. Be careful that minus 3x square. It means what the number is given in from, that will be writing first. Subtract, it means subtract. What? 2x square. So 2x square. Already it was said, students, when the same sign are there, then it will be plus, but sign stable as it is. So minus, it will be plus, but sign will be negative. 3x square minus 2x square, it means 5x square. This is your answer. You can see the next question, students. From terms we will write first, then 2x square minus 3y square plus 4x square y square. What we have to do? Minus. So minus. What the terms is given? X square plus y square. Okay, students. See, when this minus will multiply in both terms, what happens? 2x square minus 3y square plus 4x square y square. This minus x square minus y square. See, minus plus minus y square. See, students, like terms are there. 2x square minus x square. What will be done? X square, 2x minus x minus 3y square minus y square. It will minus 3y square or minus y square. It means minus 4y square. What will happen? 4x square y. It is your answer. Okay, students, I hope that you all have understood very well. So, what are the questions left behind it, it's your duty to complete. Okay, students. But apart from it, question number 5 is same as it is question number 4. Question number 6, subtract the sum of this and this. Hopefully, students, that you will come to how to solve the rest all questions, because all of the subtraction and addition are there. On what basis we have completed question number 1 to 4. On the same way, all questions will be done, question number 5 to 10 also. So hopefully I am believing on you, I am believing on you that you will try to do, you will attempt that all questions. But if anybody have the problem, you can send message, you can ask to me personally, and if it required, then I will make another video of this chapter. Okay, sir. So till that, bye bye, thank you.